Have an OG back. Yo. Got OG with me, man, on the
Y'all see it live and living color. Jesse James in the house. Jesse James, Paul Banks. Jesse James in the house.
I got OG back with me. Man, you know he finna go down.
Gunslingers.
Hey, we put this shit together. Testing Ranger.
That's my bro. He ain't hit him with no revolver. Y'all heard that nigga say, y'all know what that mean now. Get the if you want to.
Hey, we out here, man. Junior, how you feeling, man?
God, it's good, huh?
I told Junior, I told that nigga, I said, buddy, OG now. That nigga changed. Oh, anyway, that nigga ready.
Well, hey, man.
But that nigga Junior ready for that.
Damn right, he come out of my nut
That
bag.
nigga ready.
And guess what? You know what I mean? It's all the way, ain't no water in my nut bag. Get the you want to. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, we out here, man. And we out here.
Yeah, we ain't gonna tell them everything.
We ain't gonna tell you everything.
The thing we don't do is let them know what we thinking.
What you say? We won't let y'all know we drinking. That's why you got a styrofoam cup.
Yeah.
You don't know if it's water, lean, liquor. You don't never know.
Hey, man, it's beautiful.
I love OG. I love you, Jake.
It's for life with us.
Yep.
Yeah, any question that, then that's on you.
As long as you, we
That's
going
your problem.
And the real OG in the cut, ain't it like that? Yeah.
Marvin for real. Man, hey, man, you nigga Marvin for real, man.
Finna roll runs now, man.
What up? I got love by my savage and with itchy fingers. I got love.
Born fresh out of prison.
Yeah.
I ain't been like this in so long. I don't know what to do. I'm rock hard.
Pebble cheap.
Yeah.
I been trapping all week.
Yeah.
All in our sleep.
Yeah.
Spending all my weed money. Stacking all my brick money.
Yeah.
100,000
Yeah.
tell them that ain't no money. The whole thing is soft. Better get it running. Better get it running. I been trying to stack this paper up. Making all these guap. I been trying to sell the city 12-5 for a block. I been whipping up that dope. Straight up in that pot. I been counting up that money. Tootie Raww. Brick 12-5. Pound 650.
Yeah.
I'm the plug.
Yeah.
Come and tap in with me. Tap and go get you.
Yeah.
Get the pack out rapping.
Yeah.
Trapping make me happy.
Yeah.
Dog ain't from my daddy.
Ain't with it, Brazy. She know we out here, man. Ain't no shit.
That we got
My
going
partner.
on, you heard?
know we on
Straight like that,
Yeah,
you
with the yeah.
Blood
Yeah.
on.
Happy birthday, Junior. Boy, you know we pop it. The fuck, ain't nobody pay by. Fuck it. We blocked everything out. Fuck it. Ain't nobody pay by this bitch no more. Fuck it. Ain't nobody pay by this bitch no more. Fuck it. That's how we rock it. Ain't nobody coming down the streets. Fuck it. This how we rock it. Fuck that. You know what the fuck going on? Stupid. They don't play with it. We really is. Hey, Snipe. How you feeling, Snipe? Where's Snipe at? Snipe, how you feeling, Snipe? He said, f*** it, Snipe. He said, f*** it, Snipe. Hey, man, snitching the bitch is the same thing, because if you snitch, you still a snitch, bitch. You know? We got to do that, yeah.
I ain't gonna damn near all over just.
How you feeling, bro? That's Jack. It is what the f*** going on. Hey, I can't lie. Hey, it's a whole movie.
You got that dog on there. That dog on
How you feel? We gonna be high night.
Last summer 3 died, but 10 more just got out.
Bit, man. It is bit, man. Fuck is about. See, we in this. What up, my nigga? I got you on camera. I just pop your shit, yeah. Yeah. Pop this shit, yeah.
Hey, Jack, I do that little dance better than you. What you do? I do that little dance better than you, Jack. Hold up. You gotta throw that little leg, Jack.